good morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are. I am Rosie and I'm one of the co-founders of FASE. Thanks for watching this video. I wanted to talk today about why FASE was started as a project, what it is and how you can join in and be part of this community of excellent music producers from all over the world. So at the start of 2020, I started taking my music production career a lot more seriously. I started actually practicing music production, which I know can sound a bit strange. However, I was producing music as a means to make music, right? I was going project to project to project. And it wasn't until the start of last year I realised I think I've got some skills here. I really want to get better. So I spent the time, as I'm still spending the time, practicing music production. Specifically, the DAW of choice for me at the moment is Logic. So using the tools I have available to me, plugins, VSTs, synths that I've got to really understand my craft, my sound, and who I want to be as a music producer. So as I began this journey, and let's remember, we're in lockdown in 2020, at the start of 2020 in Scotland, where I'm from. I felt a need to connect with other people who were also in this realm, who were also doing music production as a career and as a living and taking it seriously. Before 2020, I hadn't spent that much time alone at my DAW working on pieces of music because I'd spent a lot of time in the studio with other musicians working on music and sitting beside a mix engineer directing them into the space that I wanted the sound and the song to go, whereas now I'm doing it all myself. So I start putting the feelers out. Who is doing music production? Can I chat to you? Can we Zoom call? Can we have a Zoom coffee date? It became really apparent that in my network I didn't have many other women who were doing music production, and so I made a point of going to find them, and that's when I started FASE. So FASE is a network for music producers who identify as women, trans women, non-binary, gender fluid or gender expansive. It's a space where we can connect and communicate, collaborate, and ask the questions that we need to ask and be able to really just put our hand up and say, I don't know XYZ, can you help me? That can be a really difficult thing to do in the general world, the general music industry as a woman in tech specifically. So that was why I started up FASE. Very selfishly, I wanted some pals that were doing music production. So quickly got involved with Jen Athen, who's an excellent music producer, also based in Scotland. She has some tutorials on this YouTube channel, so please go check them out. She's an incredible producer with so much technical knowledge. So Jen very quickly came on board, and herself, along with many other women music producers, jumped onto FASE, and now we've been growing for about a year, maybe just under a year. We decided to officially launch on the 5th of April, and here we are. So for you watching, FASE is a network and a collection of music producers that you can join for absolutely free over on our private Facebook page. We have monthly events, monthly meetups, monthly connects, where we all share our work, talk about production, ask any questions, and generally just participate and connect. We also have a podcast launching very soon, which will be a long form version of other people's stories. I want to interview as many music producers as I can and find out what their journey and their story is as a way to keep us all together. And what else do we have? We've got events, podcasts, and tutorials here on this YouTube channel. So that's what FASE is. Nice and simple and straightforward. If you would like to join, then please do check us out. There's links around here. You can click on them, take you to our link tree where you can sign up to the mailing list and you can join the Facebook community. Wherever you are on your music production journey, you are welcome in FASE. It is a space designed to demystify music production, and to allow you to feel like you can embody your own spirit, your own voice, your own way of being as a producer. So please don't hesitate to reach out, join in, say hello, share the video, do whatever you want to do. Very thankful that you watched it, and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.